ranging from architecture to offset printing, light sensors are essential tools used for their high level of precision. Often they are also employed in day-to-day use by the layperson. Digital to analog converter. This is the digital to analog converter. It's like bridge which interconnect the sensors and PIC. A DAC converts an abstract finite precision number, which is usually a fixed point binary number, into a concrete physical quantity. DAC methods based on delta sigma modulation produce a pulse density modulated signal that can then be filtered in a similar way to produce smoothly varying signal. Servo motors. These motors is a special type of motors that is used in robots. It can turn only 180 degrees. Through the electric signal, it can control the time period of the signal, control the number of degrees. It varies 1 to 10 milliseconds. A common type of servo provides position control. Servos are commonly electrical or partially electronic in nature, using an electric motor as the primary means of creating mechanical force. According to the signals of the PIC, the servo motors work. The PIC controls the sequence of signal and time duration of the signal. Microcontrollers. A microcontroller is a small computer on a single integrated circuit containing a processor core, memory, and programmable input-output peripherals. Program memory in the form of NOR flash or OTP-ROM is also often included on chip, as well as a typically small amount of RAM. Microcontrollers are designed for embedded applications, in contrast to the microprocessors used in personal computers or other general-purpose applications. Microcontrollers are used in automatically controlled products and devices. By reducing the size and the cost compared to a design that uses a separate microprocessor, memory, and input-output devices, microcontrollers make it economical to digitally control even more devices and processors. 18-pin enhanced flash. 18-pin enhanced flash microcontroller that we use in our robot. The program memory contains 1 kilohertz, which translates to 1024 instructions. Since each 14-bit program memory word is the same width as each device instruction, the data memory contains 68 bytes. Data EEPROM is 64 bytes. There are also 13 input-output pins that are user-configured on a pin-to-pin basis. Some pins are multiplexed with other device functions. These functions include external interrupt, change on PORTB interrupt, timer 0 clock input. Its memory is divided to two parts. The first part is program memory and second is data memory. The program memory contains 13-bit program counter capable of addressing an 8 kilo into 14 program memory space. The data memory is divided into two parts. First one is special function registers area and second one is general purpose registers. An overview of the robot arm. This is how the robot arm is working. When robot needs to turn the arm, microcontroller opens the port which is connected to the servo motor. Then it emits an electric pulse for a certain amount of time. This time takes usually about 1 to 2 microseconds. Now let's look at the servo motor mechanism. This is the pseudocode of servo motor. Servo motor functions do getting the outputs from the sensors and use those outputs as inputs to the servo motor circuit. Then send those inputs to arm movement functions.